And a noisy night in Oakland. Firefighters are continuing to respond to reports of illegal fireworks and fires. KTVU's Alyssa Harrington joins us live this morning with the very latest. Good morning, Alyssa.
Good morning. People on Twitter are saying that this is the loudest night they can remember in Oakland. Fireworks still going off throughout the morning hours. I want to show you a video that one of our photographers took of a firework in Oakland last night. Now, most of those official and professional fireworks shows ended by 10 p.m., but illegal fireworks shows started even before those and continued to go off throughout the night. Officials had been trying to get the word out ahead of the 4th of July holiday about the dangers of illegal fireworks, especially during these dry and hot conditions. Deputy Fire Chief Nick Luby with the Oakland Fire Department said this type of activity is something they deal with every year, and they're already making plans for next 4th of July.
Every year we reanalyze hotspots after everything settles down this evening, and throughout the weekend we'll go back and we'll look where calls for service came in, and we'll start creating strategies for next year, 4th of July, and see how we can enhance our service capabilities to meet the community's risk.
There's no word how many arrests were made or how many of the overnight fires were caused by fireworks. Last week, the Oakland Police Department made a huge fireworks bust. They confiscated more than 100 pounds of illegal fireworks in East Oakland and recovered thousands of dollars. Now, even safe and sane fireworks are illegal in Oakland and can result in a fine of up to $1,000. Collection barrels have been placed in different locations throughout Oakland where people can surrender their unused fireworks. Reporting live, I'm Alyssa Harrington, KTVU, Fox 2 News.